Alright, something else. Just if you didn't want to groove out the little holes, you can always just take it, smear your peanut butter in there, if you can get it in there. Put a little bit of Kool-Aid in there. There you go. Like I said, a cherry peanut butter apple. That's actually a lot easier doing it that way. Yep, definitely. This is the easier way to get it done. Just split them. Put your peanut butter on. A little bit of cherry jello mix or Kool-Aid. And just squeeze it together. And like I said, peanut butter, cherry peanut butter apples. There we go. There. Got the camera right back there. See what happens. Hopefully get it from the stand. Make sure I can see it. That'd suck. Damn, you want to get away. Bad, no, bad. Apple's got 8 on. That is cherry peanut butter apples. There were 4 of them out here, and it looks like 3 halves are left.